Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today's Tuesday, September 2nd, and I'm here with this beautiful Block of the Month kit by Tara Fawnin. This is the Ramble Block of the Month quilt. It's the perfect way to explore a beautiful harmony of colors and values with a modern twist. Each round demonstrates a wide range of techniques that will build the skills of novice quilters and will be a fun play day for the experts. With a full complement of video tutorials and online learning support for all of the Block of the Month participants, designer Tara Fawnin will share her tips and tricks for each step of the way, ensuring everyone has a great time and comes away with a beautiful quilt. These complete kits are expected to ship in January of 2026. So when you get the kit, you will also get the complete pattern. So we're not going to be running it as a Block of the Month. It's going to just be a huge quilt kit for you. This was made by our own Linda Hunt, the manager in the long arm area, and she did a beautiful job of it. So we love having it here. It's gorgeous in our window, and we hope that you'll be interested in taking advantage of this opportunity as well. The pre-orders are available online, so I'll be putting the link to that in the description of today's video. And today's vendor preview is Amy Staley of Doodles and Clyde. Amy is the heart behind Doodles and Clyde, a whimsical collection of cute animal cards that first began as little lunchbox notes for her kids. She now shares her cheerful art at markets, often created at late at night when the house is finally quiet. When she's not doodling, Amy works full-time and keeps busy shuttling her kids to swim, school events, and scouts. She also enjoys gardening, exploring local greenway trails, and spending time with her family. So she has boxed greeting cards, individual greeting cards, magnets with mini cards. This right here is a magnet that you can pull apart and put a mini card inside and then stick it back together and stick it on the fridge or wherever. And she also has prints, and each cute animal card is printed on professional quality Red River paper, and the greeting cards also include an envelope. This is her giveaway. She has a box of happy birthday cards. You're So Special, very cute. There's a You're So Special print and some beautiful felt tip pins. So if you'd like to get in the running to win Amy's prize, all you need to do is comment where you're watching us today. Again, the Handmade Market is on October 4th from 10 to 4 here at the shop. And tomorrow we will be back with more fabric and the winner of our reusable Cary Quilting bag drawing from August. I hope you guys have a great afternoon. We're open till 7 today, so you can come see us as late as then. And we will see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.